Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the Insight IS Daily Current Affair of 24th of November 2020. The topics that we are going to cover today, from mains point of view there are 7 news, and from the prelims point of view there are 4 news that we are going to cover. And guys, I have received some of the mails regarding few suggestion, and I assure you that I will really work on it. And guys, really, if you have any suggestion related to any videos, if you not understand, if the speed is more or any other suggestion, you can really mail it to me. The mail ID is provided at the description section, and if you have to mention it in the comment, you can mention it there. And let's start our today's discussion. जीएस वन पेपर की पहली न्यूज़ है, ठीक है, साइक्लोन निर्वाह के बारे में. तो रिसेंटली एज यू नो दैट the basic that there are various cyclones that are heated in the different part of the world, and each cyclone is named by the particular country. So recently Nirva is a cyclone which is heading toward the Karakal in a Puducherry, and it is expected that it make a landfall on a November 25. Earlier this Nirva cyclone, there were various cyclones that were heated in the different parts, and the few names are suggested here, that is Amphan, Nisarga and Gati. These were the recent cyclone, okay, and after this the Nirvaha, the cyclone, it is going to hit, or we can say that it is going to make a landfall on a November 25. And this name Nirva, okay, this name is being taken from the new list of a name for the North India Ocean cyclone, which was released in 2020, and this name is being suggested by Iran. Okay, Iran has suggested this name. Earlier cyclone, that is Amphan name was suggested by a थाईलैंड, ओके, अलॉन्ग विद दिस निसर्ग. ठीक है, निसर्ग जो हिट हुआ था महाराष्ट्र को, तो ये जो नाम था इट वॉज सजेस्टेड बाय द बांग्लादेश. अलॉन्ग विद दिस द गति दिस नेम वॉज सजेस्टेड बाय इंडिया. ओके, गति जो नेम था इट वॉज सजेस्टेड बाय इंडिया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट हाउ आर द साइक्लोन नेम. So there is particular formula, ठीक है, which is agreed by World Meteorological Organization and the United Nations Economic and a Social Commission for Asia and Pacific in 27th session of 2000. ठीक है, according to the formula proposed by them, various countries used to provide a name of a 13 names for the cyclone. Okay, each country provide the 13 name, and thus at least there are approximate 169 names suggested by the 13 countries. Okay, 169 names that are suggested by different countries. Okay, so name of the tropical cyclone which is particularly heated in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, their name is being suggested by various countries. And which are these countries? The countries is Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, UAE and Yemen. Okay, and toward the next point that अभी जो इंडिया ने रिसेंटली लिस्ट बताई है, ठीक है, लिस्ट दी है, तो वो कौन से नाम है इंडिया थ्रू सजेस्ट किए गए हैं, वो है गति. ओके, गति दैट मीन स्पीड. नेक्स्ट इज अ तेज ऑल्सो मीन्स अ स्पीड. नेक्स्ट इज मारासू दैट एक म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है इन तमिल. नेक्स्ट वन इज आग दैट इज फायर. नीर दैट इज अ वाटर आर फ्यू ऑफ द नेम दैट इज सजेस्टेड बाय इंडिया इन द न्यू लिस्ट. ओके, अपकमिंग दो साइक्लोन्स रहेंगे, ठीक है, तो उनको यहाँ पे जो ये नेम्स है, ठीक है, उनके थ्रू नेमिंग की जाएंगी. दैट इज बुरेवी मालदीव थ्रू सजेस्टेड नेम है तुकताई, ठीक है, म्यांमार यास, योमन एंड गुलाब दैट इज पाकिस्तान. ठीक है, इस तरीके से नेम सजेस्ट किए हैं टू द अपकमिंग जो भी साइक्लोन्स रहेंगे. नेक्स्ट फ्यू साइक्लोन्स इफ दे हिट, द नेम विल बी अडोप्टेड अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, एंड हाउ द ट्रॉपिकल स्टॉर्म्स और ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन्स इज फॉर्म. मेनली कुछ फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो साइक्लोन को कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो है कि हाई ह्यूमिडिटी एंड ओशन टेम्परेचर ऑफ अबाउट 26 डिग्री Celsius, okay, are the major contributing factor toward the tropical storm or the tropical cyclones. Each when the tropical cyclone is formed, the low pressure center is formed. Okay, okay, the column of a low pressure center is developed. Obviously the pressure will flow from a high pressure towards the low pressure. Okay, when the low pressure center is formed, at the center the other high pressure area the try to move towards the low pressure area, and thus a circular motion storm is formed, and thus we can see that a cyclone is formed. ओके, दिस इज जस्ट अ बेसिक आइडिया. ओके, देर आर फ्यू पॉइंट्स. ओके, आप जब आंसर लिखोगे मेंस में आपको एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट्स मेंशन करने पड़ते हैं. ठीक है, मैंने एक बेसिक जस्ट बता दिया. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये साइक्लोन वाला जो पार्ट है हमने बहुत बार जो है इस सेशन में कंप्लीट कर दिया है. ठीक है. So moving toward the next news, GS2 papers news, that is what is J&K Roshni Act. तो recently क्या हुआ है, J&K administration has published a list of Roshni Act beneficiaries. Okay, and the beneficiary who are under the Roshni Act are included the former minister and the retired civil servant. रिसेंटली जो वर्किंग गवर्नमेंट है वहाँ की जे.एन.के की, उन्होंने डिक्लेयर किया है रोशनी एक्ट as a null and void. Okay, regarding the few background of this act, there are few allegations related to the irregularities in the implementation of a Jammu and Kashmir state land vesting of ownership to the occupant act, also known as the Roshni Act. Okay, which has now been declared null and void. Okay, there were few allegations related to that there is not proper implementation of the Roshni Act, and thus now recently government has declared that act as a null and void. Okay, अब देखते हैं कि what is the Roshni Act. Okay, when it was enacted in 2001. The law sought to regulate the unauthorized land. Okay, the act also emphasized that the transfer of ownership right टू द लैंड, स्टेट लैंड टू इट्स ऑक्यूपेंट. ओके, जो भी ऑक्यूपेंट होते हैं स्टेट के उनको जो है ट्रांसफर किया जाता है ऑफ ओनरशिप राइट, सब्जेक्ट टू द पेमेंट ऑफ द कॉस्ट एज डिटरमाइंड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट सेड दैट द रेवेन्यू जनरेटेड शुड बी स्पेंड ऑन commissioning hydroelectric power plant project, hence name as a Roshni. Further, through amendment, government also gave a ownership right to the agriculture land to farmer occupying it for the free, charging them only rupees 100 per canal as a document fees. Okay, this is about the Roshni Act and why it was capped. The reasons are, सबसे पहले रीज़न है कि 2009 में क्या हुआ था, 2009 में क्या हुआ था, द स्टेट विजिलेंस कमीशन, ठीक है, हैज़ रजिस्टर्ड एन FIR अगेंस्ट द वेरियस गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल फॉर alleging criminal conspiracy to illegally possess and vest ownership of a state land to the occupant who did not certify criteria under this Roshni Act. Okay, तो रोशनी एक्ट के अंडर में जो भी satisfy कैंडिडेट नहीं थे, who were not even satisfied, but due to the illegal way से जो है various government servant और government official had vested the ownership to that particular person, and thus there were various FIR towards the state vigilance organization. In 2014, a report by the Comptroller and Audit General, okay, Comptroller and Audit General, Article 148, okay, Article 148, Comptroller and Audit General, ठीक है, he or she is a head of Indian Audit and Account Department. Okay, 148 article of our Indian Constitution deals with the Comptroller and Audit General. Okay, according to them 2014 report, they estimate that against the target of rupees 25 crore, only 76 crore has been released from the transfer of a encroach and a land between 2007 and 2013. Okay, according to the report, it was been suggested, it was been estimated, and report blamed that irregularities including arbitrary reduction in the price fixed by the standing committee, and said it has been done to benefit the politician and affluent people. Okay, these are the few reasons due to which the Roshni Act, okay, which is being scrapped by the J&K government. Moving toward the next point, current account surplus likely. So India may record a current account surplus in फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2020. ओके, तो इंडिया जो है करंट अकाउंट में कुछ सरप्लस देख सकते हैं. सरप्लस मतलब किसी भी चीज़ में कुछ ज़्यादा होना, ठीक है, दैट इज सरप्लस, एक्स्ट्रा में होना, ठीक है. इट इज़ बिकॉज दैट देयर इज़ अ moderation in the import due to the underheating of an economy triggered by the COVID-19 crisis. ठीक है, due to the COVID-19 crisis, as you know that various sector has been heated and economy is one of the major sector which is being heated due to the COVID-19, and recently due to the moderation in the import, it is being recorded that a current account surplus may be recorded in the financial year 2021. Okay, this crisis is different from what the world witnessed during the tempered tantrum. Okay, what is meant by the tempered tantrum? Okay, the tempered tantrum phenomena refer to the 2013 collective reactionary response that triggered a spike in a US treasury yield. Okay, the 2013 में क्या हुआ था? There was suddenly trigger, okay, there was suddenly spike in the US treasury yield, ठीक है. And when it was happen after the investor learned that the US Fed was slowly putting brake on its quantitative easing program. Okay, this was seen, that a spike in the US treasury yield was seen after the investor, ठीक है, when they learn that US जो Fed है, ठीक है, was slowly putting a brake on a quantitative easing program. Okay, and this lead to the surge in inflation to the high double digit emerging economy. Okay, the inflation was being surged during that time. Okay, this is included in the tempered tantrum. Okay, now I am going to explain what is meant by quantitative easing. Okay, quantitative easing क्या होता है? QE, that is, it is a form of an unconventional monetary policy in which the central bank purchase the long term security. Okay, in this quantitative easing, central bank used to purchase the long term securities from the open market. Okay, open market जो है वहाँ से सेंट्रल बैंक यूज टू परचेज द सिक्योरिटी, एंड इन ऑर्डर टू इंक्रीज बाय द सिक्योरिटी आर बिंग परचेज, the security are being purchased to increase the money supply and to encourage the lending and the investment. Okay, to increase the money supply and along with this to encourage the lending and the investment, the money is being purchased for the long, that money that is central bank used to purchase a long term securities from the open market. Okay, this is meant by quantitative easing. ठीक है, now next is what is the current account. What do you mean by the current account? Current account captures the net trade in goods and the services, net earning on investment and a net transfer payment over a period of time, typically in the year of a quarter. Okay, as you know that year is divided in various quarters and thus typically in a quarter जो net trade होता है in the goods and services, net earning होती है on investment and the net transfer होता है payment over that particular period, it is being captured in the current account. Initially net trade in goods and services are the major component of the current account. Relevance क्या है? Current account provide important information about the economic condition. Okay, as you know that the net trade of goods and services are being included, and along with these different factors, thus we can say that current account played an vital or the important role for the Indian or any other economic condition of the particular country. Higher balance of the current account usually correspond to the higher export than the import, indicating a healthy inflow of a foreign exchange reserve. Why Indian current account like now? Sorry, what is Indian current account like now? The Indian current account have largely been in deficit due to the higher value of import compared to the export. As I explained here कि export ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, export than import, then if there is higher export than import, then higher balance of a current account. Okay, and the current account definitely, as I explained, that it played a vital role in economic condition of the country. But recently India is being deficit because the higher value of a import as compared to the export, and some of the major items are imported are the crude oil, gold and a electronic item. Limited domestic production and the issue related to the competitiveness of our domestic industries such as a land and a labor law, high cost of a capital and a tax resulted in shift competition from the cheap import coming from the countries such as the China. Okay, this is also main reason. And next, third reason is that consequently our trade deficit with these countries have increased, which has lead to the adverse effect on the current account balance, and thus has come an expense of our domestic manufacture. Okay, these are the few reason or the few condition how our current account in India right now. Okay, रियर ऑकरेंस यहाँ पे एक फिगर दिया गया है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जस्ट मेंशन किया गया है कि क्या है किस क्वार्टर में. ठीक है, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वार्टर 2004 से 2005 का था. ठीक है, इट वाज इंक्रीजिंग एंड देयर इट इज सीन दैट देयर इज me fluctuation, okay, in the current account, okay, India's current account. Moving to the next point, that is a surplus is not a good thing. Why? ऑब्वियसली किसी भी टाइप का सरप्लस जो है, जैसे ग्रीड, ठीक है, किसी भी टाइप का जो है ग्रीड ही ले लो, ठीक है, किसी ये भी ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है, जो भी पर्सन इज दे शुड नॉट बी ग्रीडी दैट मच, ठीक है, किसी भी अमाउंट, कोई भी चीज़ हो, किसी का भी सरप्लस जो है उतना जो अच्छा नहीं होता है. वाई? बिकॉज जैसे यहाँ पे भी मेंशन है, इस कंटेक्स में देखते हैं कि सरप्लस इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग ऑलवेज. देन अ करंट अकाउंट सरप्लस इम्प्लाई करता है कि हायर इनफ्लो ऑफ अ फॉरेन फॉरेक्स दैन अ आउटफ्लो, ठीक है, हायर इनफ्लो होता है दैन दैट ऑफ अ आउटफ्लो. एंड इट हेल्प विथ इंक्रीजिंग एन रिजर्वायर विच इज अ क्रिटिकल फॉर मेंटेनिंग द फाइनेंशियल एंड एक्सटर्नल sector stability. Okay, this is the main reason, that's why the surplus in this particular sector is not been that good. However, in the current situation, the improvement in the current account is coming from the lower lead of import, which coincide with the muted domestic demand, and this make it important to the view such as a upstick as a sign of a potential weakness and undertake supportive policy measures. Okay, moving toward the next point, what are the desalination plant? So recently Uddhav Thackeray cleared a Mumbai's first desalination plant. Okay, तो मुंबई में फर्स्ट टाइम desalination plant आने वाला है, ठीक है. The proposed plant it will process 200 million लीटर ऑफ अ वाटर. ओके, 200 मिलियन लीटर ऑफ अ वाटर दो मतलब डेली प्रोग्रेस होगा, उसमें प्रोसेस होगा. एंड इट इज़ बीइंग सेटअप टू ओवरकम द वाटर शॉर्टेज. ओके, जो वाटर शॉर्टेज फेस करना पड़ता है मुंबई को इन द मंथ ऑफ मे एंड जून, दैट इज ड्यूरिंग द समर सीजन, उसको फेस करने के लिए, ठीक है, ये जो न्यू प्रोजेक्ट है, ठीक है, मुंबई का फर्स्ट सैलिनेशन प्लांट वो क्लियर हो गया है, ठीक है. स्क्वीज स्वीज चैलेंज मेथड, ठीक है, इसके बारे में अगर देखते हैं, Brihan Mumbai Corporation, sorry, Municipal Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation is planning to take a Swiss challenge method for this project. अभी ये मेथड क्या होता है वो देखते हैं. अंडर दिस प्रोजेक्ट they can award to the private player on an unsolicited proposal. Okay, they will award under uh, this project, okay, to the private player, and the private firm which has first submitted a proposal can be approached directly for negotiation, and if they do not agree then both bidder are कॉल. ओके, तो जो भी बिडर्स रहेंगे, ठीक है, एक जो भी इनिशियली फर्स्ट प्रपोज करेगा, ठीक है, दे विल सबमिट द प्रपोजल, दे कैन बी अप्रोच डायरेक्टली. ओके, and if they do not agree then other bidders will also be called. Okay, this is a Swiss challenge method for the implementation of this program. Okay, now regarding what are the desalination program plant. तो desalination plant ऐसा होता है which turn the salt water into the water that is fit for the drinking. Okay, तो salted water को क्या करता है, एक convert करता है to the water that is fit for the drinking. Okay, the most common use of the technology that is used in this process is a reverse osmosis. Okay, reverse osmosis is a process through which this is a main technology that is used for the desalination of that particular water. Okay, where external pressure को अप्लाई करते हुए, ठीक है, पुश करते हैं सॉल्वेंट फ्रॉम द एरिया ऑफ अ हाई सॉल्यूट कंसंट्रेशन टू द एरिया ऑफ अ लो सॉलिड कंसंट्रेशन थ्रू द पर्टिकुलर मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, एक पर्टिकुलर मेम्ब्रेन से हाई सॉल्यूट कंसंट्रेशन वाले जो होते हैं सॉल्वेंट, उसको पुश किया जाता है टूवर्ड द लो सॉल्यूट कंसंट्रेशन. एंड द माइक्रोस्कोप पोर्स, ओके, होते हैं इस मेम्ब्रेन में जो अलाउ करते हैं वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को. ओके, जो ये मेम्ब्रेन होता है वहाँ पे माइक्रोपोर्स होते हैं, ठीक है, जो अलाउ करते हैं वाटर मॉलिक्यूल थ्रू but leave the salt. Okay, they allow only the water molecule and the salt is being remained here, and thus other impurities behind and release a clean water that are fit for the drinking. And these plants are mostly set up in the area that have access to the sea water. Okay, now हाउ वाइडली इज दिस टेक्नोलॉजी यूज इन इंडिया. ओके, ये टेक्नोलॉजी कितनी ज़्यादा डेवलप है इंडिया में. तो टेक्नोलॉजी का जो है इट हैज़ बीन लिमिटेड टू अफ्लुएंट कंट्रीज, दैट इज Middle East, and recently started making inroads in the United States and the Australia. Along with this, in India, Tamil Nadu, ठीक है, Tamil Nadu was a prior who has using this technology, and they have set up a 2 desalination plant in Chennai in 2010 and then in 2013. Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh is also exploring this idea of desalination plant, and now the Mumbai is also going to have this desalination plant. Okay, What are the challenges during this implementation? They are having the high cost for setting up and also for the running. Along with this, disposal of a byproduct, okay, जो byproduct membrane में आता है, जैसे मैंने बोला कि salt रहेगा, ठीक है, along with this other impurities will be also there. Okay, so disposal of the byproducts which are obtained are highly concentrated brine and for the desalination process. Okay, thus we can say that these are the few challenges which are uh, being there for implementation of a desalination plan in particular area. Moving to other next news, ISRO Shukryan, okay, ISRO's Shukryan, that is Indian Space Research Organization, they have been shortlisted the 20 space-based experiment proposal for the proposed Venus ऑर्बिट मिशन, ठीक है, शुक्रयान, ठीक है, ये जो है वेनस ऑर्बिट मिशन के लिए जो है इसरो ने उन्होंने शॉर्टलिस्ट किया है 20 स्पेस बेस्ड एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्रपोजल. ओके, अभी इस मिशन के बारे में देखें, शुक्रयान मिशन के बारे में. इट इज़ अ मिशन through which the study on Venus is going to take place. Okay, more than a 4 year scientific objective देखा जाए, investigation of the surface progresses and the shallow subsurface stratigraphy and a solar wind interaction with the Venusian ionosphere and the studying the structure, composition and dynamic of the atmosphere. Okay, तो Venus के बारे में study करने वाले. This satellite is planned to be launched on orbit GSLV, okay, MK second. Okay, this through the rocket, through this the satellite is going to be launched and the proposed orbit is expected to around 500 into 60,000 kilometer around the Venus, and this orbit is likely to reduce gradually over several months to the lower farthest point. Okay, and this is regarding this news. एंड वाई दिस मिशन, ठीक है, शुक्रयान क्यों करने का सोचा है, ठीक है, और वेनस के बारे में पढ़ के क्या होगा, ठीक है, वेनस इतना इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है. तो ऐसा है कि वेनस जो है, ठीक है, वेनस इज ऑफन डिस्क्राइब एज अ ट्विन सिस्टर ऑफ द अर्थ बिकॉज वेरियस सिमिलैरिटीज जैसे कि साइज, मास, डेंसिटी और बल्क कंपोजिशन एंड द ग्रेविटी, दिस आर द फ्यू सिमिलैरिटीज बिटवीन द वेनस एंड द अर्थ. ठीक है, इट इज बिलीव दैट बोथ प्लैनेट शेयर अ कॉमन ओरिजिन, ठीक है, दोनों कॉमन ओरिजिन शेयर करते हैं, ऐसा बिलीव है. उसके साथ साथ फॉर्मिंग एट द सेम टाइम आउट ऑफ कंडेंसिंग द न्यूब्लोसिटी अराउंड 4.5 ईयर एगो, ऐसा उनका मानना है. उसके साथ साथ वेनस जो है इट इज़ अराउंड 30% क्लोजर टू द सन एज कम्पेयर टू द earth, resulting in much higher solar flux. And thus these are the few points why we are going to study about the Venus. It is, as you know, that there are very similar composition. Okay, along with this it is believed that they share a common origin. These are the few points why we are going to, that is ISRO is going to study about the Venus. Moving toward the next point, awareness in the space related new day, Chang'e 5 probe. It is an unmanned spacecraft which is launched by the China, okay, recently. About this Chang'e 5 probe, this probe is named after the mythical Chinese moon goddess, okay, and this rocket is comprised of a 4 part, that is a orbiter, returner, ascender and a lander. Okay, this consist of a 4 part. Okay, along with this, the object of this mission is to bring back a lunar rocks, the first attempt by the nation to retrieve the sample from the moon in the 4th decade. Okay, and the main objective is that to bring back a lunar rocks. Okay, if successful, then China will be only the third country to have a retrieve सैम्पल फ्रॉम द मून. ठीक है, तो वापस लाए हुए जो है रिट्राइव सैम्पल फ्रॉम द मून, चाइना थर्ड कंट्री बन जाएंगी. उसके पहले यूएस और सोवियत यूनियन ने 1960 और 1970 में इस टाइप का मिशन कंडक्ट किया था. ठीक है, एंड ये क्या करेगा, ये जो मिशन थ्रू अगर उन्होंने उनका सक्सेसफुल हुआ तो इट विल हेल्प द साइंटिस्ट फॉर टू लर्न अबाउट द मून्स ओरिजिन, फॉर्मेशन एंड अ वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द सन. आइडेंटिफाइड लोकेशन फॉर द कलेक्शन ऑफ अ सैम्पल्स. So what are the identified location from where they are going to collect that sample? The Chinese probe will collect 2 kg of a surface material from the previous unexplored area known as the Oceanus पोल्सेरियम दैट और ओशियन ऑफ अ स्टोम. ओके, इस पार्ट से जो है 2 kg ऑफ अ सरफेस मटेरियल दे आर गोइंग टू कलेक्ट एंड विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ वास्ट लावा प्लेन. The Chang'e 5 mission is expected to realize the four first in the China space history. Okay, which are the four that first in the China's space history. तो सबसे पहला है कि फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर द प्रोब टू टेक ऑफ फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द मून. फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा होगा टू ऑटोमेटिकली सैम्पल द लूनार सरफेस. द फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा होगा कि टू कंडक्ट अनमैन्ड reduce and reduce and docking in the lunar orbit. The first time to return to the earth with the lunar soil samples in the xf velocity. Okay, this will be the first time. मतलब ये 4 फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा कुछ होगा उनके चाइना के हिस्ट्री में. ओके, चैंगई मिशन. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, पांगड़ा विलेज के बारे में है. इट इज़ अ न्यू बॉर्डर विलेज विच इज़ बिल्ड इन चाइना. जिसने भी कल का हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा होगा तो ठीक है, फ्रंट न्यूज़ में ही, फ्रंट पेज में ही ये न्यूज़ कवर हुई थी. ठीक है, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द जो न्यूज़ यहाँ पे आते हैं, ठीक है, जो इनसाइड में डिस्कस करते हैं वो द हिंदू या इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के होते हैं एंड दे आर वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूज़. ठीक है, अगर आपने कभी आपका हिंदू भी मिक्स हो गया तो फिर भी आप अगर ये रेफ़र करते हो तो भी आपका जो है करंट अफेयर उस दिन का मिस नहीं होता है. ठीक है, ये वीडियो से आपका जो है द हिंदू और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस का जो है सारा कवर हो जाता है. बिकॉज ये अगर किसी ने भी द हिंदू पढ़ा होगा तो फर्स्ट पेज में ही ये न्यूज़ थी. ठीक है, बताती हूँ अभी इस न्यूज़ के बारे में. ठीक है, इट इज़ अ न्यू बॉर्डर विलेज जो बिल्ड हुआ है बाय द चाइना. द विलेज इज़ लोकेटेड, एक टेरिटरी डिस्प्यूटेड रीजन है बाय द चाइना एंड भूटान. ओके, चाइना एंड भूटान के बीच में, तो वहाँ पे वो विलेज बिल्ड हुआ है. इट द एरिया इज़ द ईस्ट ऑफ द इंडिया भूटान चाइना टाई जंक्शन ऑफ अ डोकलम प्लेट्यू. ओके, दैन द साइट ऑफ अ 72 day स्टैंड ऑफ इन 2070. प्रीवियस इंस्टेंट क्या हुआ है इसी के रिलेटेड. इन जुलाई दिस ईयर बीजिंग सेड स्टैकियन वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी इट इज सिचुएटेड इन द ईस्टर्न भूटान बिलोंग टू द चाइना. ओके, उसके साथ साथ दे ऑल्सो क्लेम वॉज मेड एट द 58 मीटिंग जो हुई थी ऑफ अ ग्लोबल इन्वायरमेंट फैसिलिटीज़. ठीक है, कंसिल की, वेयर चाइना उन्होंने ट्राई किया था कि टू अपोज अ फंडिंग टू द प्रोजेक्ट फॉर दिस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी विच इज सिचुएटेड इन भूटान बाय सेइंग दैट इट इज़ बिल्ड ऑन द डिस्प्यूटेड एरिया. ठीक है, उन्होंने उस टाइम पर बोला था कि ये डिस्प्यूटेड एरिया में बिल्ड किया है. ठीक है, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी पर अभी देखा जा रहा है कि उन्होंने खुद ने, ठीक है, एक विलेज जो है दे हैज बिल्ड बाय द चाइना इन दैट डिस्प्यूटेड एरिया. ओके, what happened in the Doklam? Now Doklam में क्या हुआ था? In Doklam the face off was take place over the territory belonging to the Bhutan and which has been border security agreement with the India. The China का ऐसा है कि China wanted to take a control over that territory called as Doklam to come closer to what it is known as a चिकन नेक और अ सिलीगुड़ी कॉरिडोर ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, अगर डोकलाम को कैप्चर कर दिया, ठीक है, चाइना ने, देन दे विल कम क्लोजर टू दिस सिलीगुड़ी कॉरिडोर ऑफ इंडिया एंड दैट कनेक्ट द नॉर्थ ईस्ट part with the rest of the country. Okay, so thus China want to occupy this particular Doklam part. Okay, and how it came to end? It was practically an eyeball to eyeball standoff which ended in the view of a China hosting BRICS and India refusing to back down. Okay, and a possible boycott of the summit, and thus the standoff ended with the diplomatic interference, and thus this was ended. Moving toward the next point, fact related to the prelim. अभियाम ऐप, ठीक है, आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने रिसेंटली मोबाइल ऐप एप्लीकेशन लॉन्च किया है. ठीक है, विच विल हेल्प द वुमेन एंड द चिल्ड्रंस, ठीक है, ट्रैवलिंग इन द टैक्सीज एंड ऑटो रिक्शा. ठीक है, टू रेज एन अलार्म इन द केस ऑफ एनी टाइप ऑफ एमरजेंसी. ओके, एंड दिस जो ऐप है, ठीक है, इट इज़ ऑपरेटेड बाय द ट्रांसपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट and this will help the women in alerting the police by pressing the panic button even if any type of trouble if they found. Okay, next is the National Crisis Management Committee for effective implementation of a relief measure in the wake of a natural calamities. Government has set up the National Crisis Management Committee. A cabinet secretary will be the chairman. Other members, secretary of all concerned members, ministry and department, as well as organization will be the member of this committee, and this National Crisis Management Committee give a direction to the crisis management group as deemed necessary. Atal Faculty Development Program. So 46 online AICTE training and learning academy faculty development program. Okay, and the objective is that it will train the teacher of a higher education institution which are associated with the all India Council of a Technical Education. And along with this book of a world record, London acknowledge the training of over 1 lakh per peoples in a thousand of a program under this. Okay, and the main objective of Atal Academy is to provide a quality technical education in the country and promote the research and entrepreneurship through the various training in the emerging field, that is IIT, IITS, NIT, CU, and the research labs are organized by the Atal Faculty Development Program. 15th 20 G20 Summit, it is conveyed by Saudi Arabia virtual format में हुई थी. Summit will culminate in the adoption of a leader declaration and with the Saudi Arabia passing on a presidency to the Italy. It is announced that India is going to host this G20 summit in 2023. The year later that was has been decided earlier. Okay, ये पहले decide हो गया था. India was earlier slated to host it in the 2022 with the Osaka declaration of a G20 stating last year that we are looking forward to a meeting with the South Arabia in 2020, in Italy 2021, and in India 2022. Okay, this in this way we conclude our today's news section. Have a nice day. Thank you.